Hi, my name is David Willits of Team 4, and we are Skorda Field Management Solutions. As the population of Earth continues to grow, so will the demand for food. In fact, the UN Food and Agriculture Organization expect that the world will need to increase its food production by 70% by year 2050. This is an enormous growth rate that needs to happen to ensure that the world's population can continue to be fed. Technology and the industrial internet will shape the future of agriculture as they have shaped the future, and even we've seen present impact in fields such as cybersecurity, e-commerce, and the like. But particularly in the field of agriculture, can advances be made? And this is where we come in. Skorda takes pride in advancing the connection of smart drones and field management devices to improve yields and to cut costs. Through leveraging the power of the industrial internet, we are going to revolutionize the agricultural landscape. Here at Skorda, we develop smart technology and software solutions to connect farmers with their fields. Specifically, we specialize in the development of smart drone technology along with information infrastructure using the industrial internet to aid in monitoring, connecting, and optimizing field equipment. And we also automate the decision-making process through software solutions that leverage machine learning and other advanced analytical models and technologies. In the past and also in the present, a lot of farmers rely on the use of small aircraft and geospatial imaging. These solutions, while effective, they take time and they can be expensive. Using drones, it's much more economical to be able to look at a field and being able to identify any problems that need to be taken. And using smart technology and modern advancements in mathematical modeling and leveraging the industrial internet to tie those solutions together, we are able to develop a cost-cutting Internet of Things solution to deliver field management to farmers. Here is a visual representation of the Skorda data infrastructure. Connected all throughout the cloud computing infrastructure, our smart drone technology is able to assist farmers with field management, and it can detect when action needs to be taken in a variety of areas, such as soil composition, health of crops, etc. It is able to relay information back to the cloud infrastructure, which can then spur smart machinery that is also connected to our software solutions. Ultimately, farmers can also monitor themselves in their own personal devices and then manually override if action needs to be taken.
Hello, this is Zach Carr talking about Skorda's cutting edge compatibility. Skorda implements a redundant cloud system which utilizes 3 different cloud platforms to back up data, and it allows our developers more freedom in coding their programs. The farmers are able to monitor through Android, iPhone, Windows, or Macintosh. Our developers are also able to come up with alternative monitoring solutions to meet our customers' needs.
The Department of Agricultural and Consumer Economics at the University of Illinois reported that a typical farm currently spends about $478 per acre annually to maintain their fields. These costs include fertilizer, seeds, pesticides, machinery, and labor. The farms bring in about $750 per acre in revenue, resulting in $272 per acre of profit. We at Skorda believe that with our field management services, we can help to reduce a lot of these costs. Our images and data that we receive from the drones will give the farmers insight into the state of their plants, the composition of their soil, which can help reduce the cost of fertilizer and pesticides. We estimate a 25% reduction in the cost of fertilizer and a 20% reduction in the cost of pesticides. The data that we're receiving from their machinery, along with the data from our drones, will help us to build predictive maintenance models to be able to catch problems before they start, and to maintain the machines before they break down so that they can avoid the costs of having to fix their machinery. So since the farmers will be able to be more targeted with their fertilizer and pesticides and not have to fix their machinery as much, we also believe that they will see a reduction in the cost of their labor. So if we factor in the reduction in all of these costs and then add in our $15 per acre licensing fee, then that results in a total estimated savings of $66 per acre. So that translates to a 24.2% increase in profits for the farmers. Our forecasted revenue is based on a few conservative assumptions. One, that the average farm is about 1,000 acres, and since we charge $15 per acre, we'll be getting about $15,000 per farm on average. We also assume that we can have 20 farms paying for our services by the end of the first year, and that we will be able to double our customer base each year after that. So we'll start off with an initial investment of $790,000, 20 drones at $10,000 each for the 20 farms in the first year. And then we'll start off with a small team of a director, a few developers / analysts, sales reps, and a marketing rep. So if we are able to double our customer base each year, then we will start to see profits in year 3. And then those profits will continue to grow exponentially after that, and will be over $2.5 million by year 5.
About 10 years ago, drones were introduced to agriculture to inspect fields and monitor crops. This led to firms such as Down to Earth Sensing and Ag Eagle. Recently, companies such as AgRobotics and Precision Hawk incorporated more in-depth analytics into the agricultural drone industry. Still, there is currently no company integrating the full farm. This is where Skorda comes in. By employing a smart farm system, we are fully integrating all aspects of farming. At Skorda, we're more than just soil and seeds.